Having a bit of a late start today. Hello, baby. Marilyn's just shaving their head.
Yes. Shaving my head.
I mean,
I'm bald! I'm bald! Oh, frick. Did I just touch the... Oh! I just freaking foundation on.
Wait. I'm not getting that deposit taken away.
You're gonna have to help me freaking...
Wait till they find out how much glitter I've left on the floor. Hey, I asked you if I should do more glitter and you said yes, so...
Well, in the bath! There? You! We're not thinking today, okay?
No.
No think.
No thoughts.
brain.
Head empty.
Just bald.
I'm a pretty girl!
I'm a pretty girl. Hello. Why are you fighting?
What? Sorry, you're just so beautiful that I literally, if I show you on my vlog, then everyone's gonna just fall in love with you.
Bedazzled.
It's okay, I love you. Marilyn is somewhere in this crowd of people because they had to pick up their tickets. Where for art though? Aang.
Oh, you know 86th floor. They got a YouTube channel and they do like cosplay videos. They record people at the con. So later, if we find them, they should definitely record the video and stuff like that.
There's another watertight person here.
There's a lot of firebenders. I'm scared. Trauma, okay?
One of these things is not like the other. Bending!
I'm not bending.
Bending! She's ghost bending. Amazing. And there's a photo shoot happening from this is all our team. My gang!
My games workshop could probably pierce through it. I've only got a knee pad as well, just in case.
It's like, because it was like fully.
I've got,
like,
come close.
yeah,
come
just
close.
need to.
So it won't fix in there.
Now, we had like 5 Koras, no Asamis, and now.
Yes, I agree. Oh, shut up, Louie! I love the way.
It is cold.
It is cold. We're gonna film with the 86th floor, and then we're going to run inside.
Not run.
Not run, because we are in we are in heels.
I'm not.
Fuck off. Like Mr. Sheen.
Oh my god, wait, that's same roof. This bad boy can fit so much trauma in it. Smack.
So we've come inside and we're now just chilling in the food court. I've had a chocolate strawberry dipped fountain. I can form words today. And the slippers have returned. You may remember these from when I was Grace and wearing heels. Haha, what's it like to be stuck in your high heels?
I'm a hoe, so it's fine.
I thought hoes didn't get cold.
Shut up. I'm a Mediterranean hoe. I get cold,
okay? We've made a discovery. Deep fried ice cream.
Like, what is this?
What in the Americas?
What in the United States of America is this?
It's shiny. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I feel like I have too much hair to be doing ice cream right now.
Oh no.
I don't even know how to get into this. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a, what's it called?
Lydia.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe this.
What does it
Try
taste
it.
like?
I honestly don't know how to describe it.
Ooh, that's a lot.
It doesn't taste natural, does it?
It tastes like, I guess like cake with ice cream. The outside is like,
But it's like
No.
really like
It's like deep fried dough and then inside is ice cream.
Yeah, but like
tastes a
slightly
bit burnt.
over. Yeah, like burnt cake, kind of.
I think the outside is a bit burnt. I don't know. It is strange.
Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new people to see.
What a shame, yeah, my face. It cost me the crown, so I moved to the house of Holbein. In my hometown, his mates were super haughty, but I showed them how to party.
You know what? If they're gonna give 12-year-olds tattoos, I feel like this would be what they'd get.
True, if they have if they give them the power to get tattoos.
What have you written? Wait, I can't see. Turn your head a sec.
Monkey.
This is fine.
I love. What do we do at the night after a con? And we just watch old con vlogs.
Yes.
Just like
We're
reminisce.
That's just my item. It's very expensive.
We miss you, Katie.
Yeah. Back to the Future hoops.
Hi Tabby! My fact for the con is that in a Marvel comic, Thor #7, you can find Tony Stark's phone number, and if you dial it, there's apparently someone who will answer.
I literally remember saying when we were here, I don't know if it's on vlog, but at some point I was like, guys, do you realize that this is the last time I was like that we're all gonna meet up before we know the ending of Ultron? And everyone was like, way to ruin it. And I was like, no, we have to enjoy this moment because after this, it's never gonna be the same. And I was right. No, it was never the same after that. So
The,
that was,
the
like,
fandom,
last
the fandom died. Like
that was the last time we fully could enjoy the fandom. Without, we were so nice and oblivious and like innocent.
Like when we did the last Voltron meet, there was like what 6 of us cosplaying.
Oh my god!
And like I think the first like time we went, we had like at least 10 of every single character, maybe even more.
like these
But-
meetups were huge.
Huge.
I wear this on Monday, wear this on Tuesday, wear this on Wednesday, wear this on Thursday, wear this on Friday, wear this on Saturday, wear this on Sunday.
Oh yeah, there you are recording all of us.
Yeah. Just me running around in a circle. Wee! Do it for the vlog.
Yeah. Do it for the vlog. We were so cringe. I can't.
I'm glad that's not me. I'm not there. I don't know where I was, but I wasn't.
But I had the time of my life. Not gonna
It
lie.
was wild.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
Memories.